By clicking on the arrow-shaped icon, the first one in the Tools panel, I can activate the selection function. Selecting markers that are already placed on the document allows me to change their color or shape or transpose them. In case I needed to select all instances of 1 or more degrees, I can use the octaver in combination with the selector. The octaver, used by itself, is a function that puts the same note in all octaves and position of the fretboard, but if I wanted to only highlight a specific degree of a diagram without filling the whole fretboard, I can use it together with the selector function to select all instances of that degree, only where already existing. This is convenient, for instance, if I want to change the color of the root note in a diagram. As an example, in this pentatonic scale, I am selecting with the octaver one root note. Then, when I change the color, all the root notes will be more noticeable. This small blue box that appears in the top left tells me that a function is currently active that prevents me from clicking on a fret to place a marker. Let's place some markers on the second layer and duplicate this fretboard to show some other ways to use the selector function. If I use the select icon from the fretboard's toolbars, I can add to the selection all the markers of the current layer placed on that fretboard. If, instead, I use the icon from the Layers panel, I will add to the selection all markers from that layer from every fretboard. As always, I can edit the color and the shape of all selected markers, and I can always edit the selection by adding or removing markers one by one if I click on them. These functions can come in handy to modify the general looks of an existing diagram.